Hi, we're Tay and Kira. In today's video, we thought we'd show you how to live like a Euro summer Pinterest girl for a day, because you don't need to leave your hometown to get the vibe of a Euro summer. I mean, I would love to go on a 6-week trip around Europe, go to Italy, go to France, go to... This is bad. Greece. I don't know where I would want to go, to be fair. Haven't really thought about it. So like Italy and France, and is that really a trip if you don't? Anyway, you see all those like fun Instagram baddies and Pinterest girlies going on these fun, cute trips around the Amalfi Coast, and you're like, I want to do that, but right now it's not physically possible. I mean, it can be because we can put our mind into it, but we know how to make the most of summer. As girls who spent most of their summers at home, we know that we can create that vibe that we want of being away here. So that's what we're going to do today. The first thing we did was make t-shirts, because we know Euro summer does start with shopping and finding cool, fun outfits. So we made t-shirts. I am loving my t-shirt. It's got my cat Hendrix on it. He looks really cute, and I did it with felt because we have actually made felt jumpers before. It's actually one of our first videos we did on this channel. It's now not on the channel because it's cringe. I can't even watch it back myself. We had made it before, like a little cute Christmas. It was like a Christmas ugly sweater. Yes, that's what it was. And I thought, you know what? I need to bring back the cat, and I decided to go for him bigger and with a star on the back, and it took us so long. It took us 2 days to create these t-shirts, but I am in love with it. I've got some buttons on my sleeves. They're very colourful. We're both giving like 60s-70s vibes, especially with this top being like a long sleeve and bat wing. Yeah, it feels like she could like go to the disco. I think that's kind of the vibes you want to have for a Euro summer, which is like fun, colourful outfits. Definitely a fun little craft for the summer to get creative and just make something you're going to wear all summer long. Our next activity is to go out and have a little breakfast picnic in the park. We are back from our morning excursion. We got deflated afterwards, very deflated. We got ourselves a quick little shower, got changed, had an hour break, and we are back and raring to go. I feel that does happen if you were abroad. I'm doing this as the if because I've actually never had that official feeling of what it's like to be abroad on like a holiday. Like a hot country. Yeah, we have never done that. Like a relaxing holiday. We've never done it, so we don't know how it would feel, but I would assume that you would come back from the beach and then you'll probably a bit like windswept. Yeah, and you'll just like be like, oh, I need a nap. So that's basically kind of what happened to us, and I feel the exact same. Yeah. But we had a nice cute little picnic. It was a lot of fun, a lot of good food, and it was nice just to chill and sit in the shade for a little bit. Also, I think it's better that we did it on grass because I've never enjoyed the beach anyway because of the sand or rocks. I think as soon as the sand touches me, I'm a little bit like, you know? So I think actually might be a good, what's the word? Wait, the word's coming. Yeah, give me a second. It's a good contrast? Switch. It's a good switch if you're looking to kind of have that Euro vibe without beach. Yeah, we're not really beach people. I think you can probably tell, to be fair. We don't really relax very well. No, we also said we're not really good picnickers. Yeah, because we're a bit iffy. Yeah, we just can't. We've never been chill or relaxed. Just constantly like, how do I sit? Am I sitting okay? Should I lay down? How do I sit? And then also you're eating, and I'm like, I'm not comfortable eating right now. Like this because you want to sit comfortably, but I'm trying to like learn to be chill and mellow. And zen. Yeah, and so actually this afternoon, that's exactly what we're going to do. We are going to have a homemade ice cream because the other day we made ice cream. first made a strawberry and a pineapple ice cream. Now we have a little bit of a story with the pineapple ice cream. It's not a very fun story, so buckle up. It's not going to be fun. Basically, you can obviously freeze pineapple, but when you freeze pineapple with milk, aka cream, it makes the pineapple acidy, which makes basically acidic. So it has that weird taste. So if you're going to make it, technically we were meant to do mango, but we went to the shop and also mango is really expensive. But the pineapple was a large pineapple, about £1.50. It was like, wow! And it was massive. And it was, woo! Yeah, so we were like, we'll do pineapple. Anyway, so if you're going to do it, you either cook the pineapple, we put a ton of sugar. And that's exactly what we did to try and get rid of that pineapple.
Basically put a banana in it.
We put a banana in it and we put a bit of sugar, like granulated sugar, in it to try and make it more less acidic-y. It had this like, it's like twang. It didn't taste amazing.
Yeah.
So we have now made a different batch of ice cream, but we also had eaten all of it. The strawberry one was amazing. Strawberry, definitely good. And what's great about this recipe is that it literally is so easy to make. You don't need a Ninja Creamy, you don't need any of that crap. Yes, it would be nice, yes, but you can make it yourself. The only problem, we probably got a really trash freezer. It takes about 2 days to freeze. It says about 6-7 hours, but it don't. It don't. It takes 2 days to freeze properly. I think we just have a trash freezer.
I mean, we literally did the first batch like a few days ago.
Yeah.
Like, a bit of time ago.
Yeah.
And we did a second batch literally yesterday.
Yeah.
We wanted it yesterday.
I made it at 12 PM yesterday. I was like, okay, it'll be done by 6 or 7 o'clock. So I said it again. The first one was a joke, this one's not a joke.
And we wanted it.
I wanted it.
We had just
It's hot.
like, we've had our salad dinner.
Yeah.
A picky bit.
Picky bit.
And now I want my ice cream.
My ice cream wasn't done.
Now we've had to wait all this time.
Yeah. 24 hours later, now it's definitely done.
But we made a chocolate version.
Chocolate?
Because you can't eat chocolate.
And we had a little nibble. We had a little nibble and it tastes wonderful. Now, to be fair, we went off-road and I didn't actually follow a recipe, but I also had watched TikToks previously of like what you add in, and we just added cocoa powder, kind of just like shoved it on there without any measurements.
And dark chocolate
chunks. Wonderful. So we're gonna have that. I'm gonna show you because they taste amazing. And then we're gonna try and chill. And we're gonna read some books. So we picked up these books a few weeks ago.
Maybe like a week. 2 weeks.
3 weeks?
No, it can't be 3 weeks.
2 weeks ago,
Yeah,
maybe. Because we I need to read. We had a voucher. Yes, we did. We had a voucher. We're not massive readers, but I know
we tried to be last year. Basically.
Try to be. I'm not a reader. I love Hunger Games. I will just keep on reading them. But I also know that I need to read different variety of books. And
I've gone for cats.
I've gone for a cat book. Yes. I just love cats. I can't help it. But we just picked these two out of just based off the covers because we don't know much about books. I can't be bothered to like. I mean, I don't want to basically go.
This is my book.
Yeah.
I actually read her other book.
What's it called? Don't know.
Frankenstein one.
Yeah.
So I thought I'll go for this because it said about sisters, and I thought I have one. Let me give that a read.
Yeah, maybe you can relate or something.
I love the new books now.
I just also didn't want to pick up like a TikTok recommended book. I kind of want to see, I wanted to go into the bookshop and see what was drawn to me. Because technically we were going to pick up like an Emily Henry book and another sequel to a book.
Yeah.
And then we kind of just scrapped that and went, you know what, let's just go based off vibes. And so I found this cat book because I like cats. But it says if cats disappeared from the world. Quite interesting.
Quite interesting.
And it's got a cat on it. So you'll probably end up finishing it.
It's actually really cute as well.
And realistically, if you also read a book, one a year, you're doing more than most.
Really?
So, yeah. Oh, some people don't even read one book in a year, so you're already like top 10% people.
Better.
Stronger. What's the song? Better, strong. Is it?
Yeah. Better, strong.
Damn it, it's in my head.
Just better, strong. That's the vibe.
And also, anyway, because we're trying to emulate a Euro holiday.
People read books.
People read books, right? They like tan and read books, but we can't tan.
We just don't like being outside.
Don't like being outside, so we're gonna.
It's quite tiny.
Oh, it is. Oh, damn it! Could have been doing this the whole time. Oh yeah, that's nice. So we are gonna do a little bit of reading after our ice cream. And to be fair, honestly, I feel like I could get this done very quick. And I'm excited to read this, actually.
Yeah, same. I'm very excited. This has been sitting on... Oh my god, the author's thing's on right...
Oh, it's right there!
It's right here. That was the book I read
Cleopatra and Frankenstein.
Like
2 years ago.
I feel like 2023, isn't it? Is that 3 years ago?
Yeah,
it is.
because you watched. Yeah, I remember the video. That's why I filmed because I didn't remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm excited for ice cream.
And it's me too. I'm really excited. And also, I feel like a book is good when the cover is good. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm always drawn.
I think it's aesthetic in a bad way. In the
But you know what? If that makes you read, then go ahead and do it. If you think the book,
what's the word that people keep saying now? Performative way.
Oh right, yes.
If the book's nice, then
Yeah.
you're gonna read it.
To be fair, we actually have a
book.
bookshop up there, and one day I'll probably will own a library in my house because that's a dream. Read one chapter of a book, had a shower, had a dinner, and now we're here. On top of the world, feeling fresh, feeling fine, feeling groovy. And now we're gonna do a simple skincare and wind down the night. Because I feel like in a weird way, a lot has happened, yet I feel like we haven't done that much either. I wonder if
I think that's
summer though. I think it's weird because even though it's brighter outside later in the day, I just feel like you just we wake up so early now because we get the light in our room so early. So you're up all day, but it feels like you generally don't do much. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like just time goes weird. Yeah, like the time is. It feels like 2 days in one during the summer. Like it feels like what we did in the morning was yesterday. Yeah. And what we're doing now is today. So now you just feel weird that you're like, how are you still up? Being up at like 7 o'clock. I'll probably be in bed at like 11, which is a normal time for most. But for us, like 11 o'clock even is crazy. We function different. I need my rest because this brain doesn't work up properly otherwise. So it's nice because we've been able to also feel like I've had a lot of big energy moments, but also being able to just like, hey, we can chill now. Enjoy the summer evening. And yeah, so we've made ourselves a little iced coffee, the second one of the day.
Coffee doesn't affect us, so we can drink it any time of the day and be like,
that's the only problem with summer. I feel like we drink it more. We usually try to give ourselves only one a day.
It's more refreshing for some reason.
Yeah, more refreshing, more hydrating, even though it definitely isn't hydrating. But
it feels like that.
It feels like it. Yeah, we always try to only give ourselves like one coffee because we don't need it. It's not like a benefit to us. But during the summer, we've been having to.
Naughty!
We're going crazy!
We're going crazy right now.
I actually did get a bit burnt. And the reason I got burnt, literally just a tiny bit here, is because of my sweat.
We were sweating off our sun
so
cream.
I had sweated it off. Hopefully this little cream will help it. This has been repurchased many times. It's a La Roche-Posay Cicaplast balm, and this is great for the evening. We use this in the evening. We usually use this with retinol, but we also do use it when we don't use retinol because it's a nice, like, very thick moisturizer, and I feel like it really clears our skin up.
You wake up and you're like moisturized.
Yeah, I'm still moisturizing, glowy, and sometimes I don't even put moisturizer in the morning because I'm still like oh my god. Oh, we're gonna use some eye patches. This is aloe vera extract eye patch, and it's a relax and refresh eye skin, which is kind of perfect for this time right now because I feel like that's what we want, especially the sun being very damaging.
We're not sure if these actually work or not.
Yeah, I don't know.
But I think it's just a novelty at the end of the day.
Yeah, and honestly, we don't have a lot of novelty stuff in our life, so I feel like this is the really cool, fun way to be able to
Do that.
yeah, feel like you're relaxing.
And that's our
Little simple skincare.
all good.
It's actually refreshing. I feel like I could sit here, you know, and just look out of the window. Right now it's like a really nice, beautiful... This is like the perfect weather. It's annoying because you have to go through all the heat and like the nasty, clammy bit to get to this point of the day where it's just beautiful. There's wind
Like,
coming in.
Yeah, it's like a slight breeze.
The sun's still out. This is, I love it. I wish it could stay like this time of day. Bit of
golden
sun,
hour, basically.
Yeah, before sunset.
You can
it's
see the
still warm,
trees.
like glowing. It's so nice. Hendrix is like, literally he's come out of his little den of the bushes in the garden. And he's like, oh my god, I'm free from hell. We're gonna put on a film. We're gonna watch a nice classic summer vibe, Euro summer vibe film called Roman Holiday.